Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Tech Soldiers powered by D&D. 7 incredibly beautiful scrap metal sculptures and their artists. What would you do with a pile of scrap metal? Weigh it in? Drop it off a recycling center? How about grabbing a welding torch and turning into a piece of fine art? That's exactly what these 7 great artists decided to do. The products of their labor are, as you are about to find out, truly stunning. What types of metal are metal sculptures made of? Metal sculptures can be made from a wide variety of metals, but the most commonly used metal tends to be bronze. That being said, sculptures can be made from gold, silver, aluminium, copper, brass, lead and iron. But as you are about to discover, scrap metal is also another popular material to use for sculptures. What are some examples of creative metal sculptures? So without further ado, here are 7 great examples of scrap metal sculptures from around the world. This list is far from exhaustive and is in no particular order. Check out this cat made from a scrap metal. This scrap metal cat sculpture is truly stunning, created by a Russian artist called Igor Verne. It is a very steampunk-inspired creation. Each sculpture is articulated and it almost looks as though it is alive. Verne likes to spend a lot of time studying his subjects before embarking on capturing them in metal form. He does this to ensure that he captures their movements and feel just right. Once he is happy, he has got the essence of his subject. Verne then collects scrap pieces of metal ranging from old car parts to tableware to clock movements and anything else he can lay his hands on. This life-size buffalo sculpture is amazing. Created by John Lopez, this life-size scrap metal sculpture of a buffalo is incredible. Lopez lives and works in South Dakota and his creations are made using recycled metals, including old farm equipment and machinery. Lopez loves nothing more than recreating iconic American Western images and themes using his chosen medium. He has also created stunning sculpture of horses plowing fields and a Texas Longhorn in the past. He has a long history of working with bronze, but after creating a scrap metal grave for his deceased auntie, he became enamored with using old bits of metal. My favorite part about these pieces is the texture. Lopez explained in an interview, "I just start grabbing stuff from the pile and welding it. If you are weld enough of the same thing on over and over, it creates this really cool texture and I have never seen in these kinds of pieces before, and I think that's what draws people in." This scrap metal woman is breathtaking. Created by Karen Kusalita, this scrap metal sculpture of a woman needs to be seen to be believed. The piece called Ecstasy is meant to capture the emotion of passion and the posture of exaltation it can inspire. She is illuminated at dusk by a warm light that emanates from her hands and softly glows upon her shoulders, neck and head that is thrown back in elation. Ecstasy was built in 2007 and first debuted on stage at the Crucible's Fire Opera, then at Burning Man 2007. Since then she travelled wildly, Maker Faire 2008 and Nocturnal 2009. Through 2011, Ecstasy was on exhibit in Hayes Valley, San Francisco, CA. She is now part of a private collection, Karen Kusalita. This scrap metal Hulk sculpture is cool. Believe it or not, but this Hulk sculpture is actually made from scrap metal. Created by the art studio Van Hunkleck, this piece is amazing as it actually managed to emulate a smooth organic texture of Hulk's body and face. This 2.3 meter tall sculpture is one of the studio's most famous pieces and was created by an artist known as Farrot. This studio has many other world-renowned pieces. They love to recreate iconic characters from popular culture in metal, including the Xenomorph from the Alien franchise, the Predator, and even characters from the Star Wars franchise. This grasshopper is made from scrap metal and old bullets. This incredibly beautiful grasshopper sculpture is made entirely from scrap metal and old bullets. Designed and created by Tom Hardwich, this delicate piece is a real testament to the artist's skill at the craft. Hardwich Studio Art Robots is a great place to visit to see more of his amazing work. Based in Ironbridge, Shropshire, he has been creating these amazing pieces since 2010. Each art robot started its life as a series of sketches. Some takes their inspiration from nature, others from bits and pieces of metal and beads which form an unusual structure or fit together in an interesting way. After they have been planned out, they start to take shape in my dining room, where I have all of my tools and materials laid out to prevent any actual dining from taking place by Tom Hardwich. These scrap metal transformers are great. Scrap metal and transformer sculptures are a match made in heaven. This Thai studio specializes in such projects called Scrap Metal Art Thailand. They take old pieces of machinery and equipment and turn them into something quite remarkable. The studio also makes sculptures of other popular cultural icons like the Xenomorph, the Predator, the Terminator and other generic massive robots. This Turkish artist makes some amazing metal sculptures. And lastly, but by no means least, is this amazing horse by a Turkish artist called Cem Özkan. Made from nothing more than scrap metal and the artist's bare hands, it's truly a thing of beauty. His work is very much steampunk inspired with other creations including an astronaut and a sailing ship. He is based in Eskişehir here and his star has been on the rise over the last few years. He created the horse during his third year at Anadolu University at the Faculty of Fine Arts and Sculpture. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to this channel.